Come along with me now as we set sail over calm seas, past mangrove-tangled islands and playful manatees to a sunny beach. What's happening, my friend?
Man, that's so cool. Come on, let's go in.
Beneath the waves off Belize lies a world like no other. The 80-degree water is home to one of the richest ecosystems on Earth. Flowing beds of seagrass mingle with ancient coral as strange and colorful fish swim by in schools so thick they block out the sun. Just off the coast lies our country's star attraction, the Belize Barrier Reef. This 185-mile-long wall of coral, islands, and spectacular marine life has been named one of the 7 underwater wonders of the world. You can see why. With all the abundance and richness of undersea life, it's no surprise that Belize is a magnet for scuba and snorkelers from around the world, enjoying the beauty of the reef year-round. Now you're in for an adventure. This is the famous Blue Hole. Looks eerie, doesn't it? The Blue Hole was created some 12,000 years ago when an underwater cavern collapsed. I'm not sure what's at the bottom myself, or even if it has a bottom, but it's been explored by the likes of Jacques Cousteau. Now, it's your turn. And them fish ain't just for watching. In Belize, it's nearly impossible not to catch something. Your experienced English-speaking guide will reveal his secret fishing spots to stalk bonefish, permit, and tarpon, troll reef channels for barracuda and jacks, or brave the deep for my favorite, a kingfish or two. Of course, if you'd prefer, you can while away the day sailing, kayaking, or just relaxing beneath the coconut palms on one of the dozens of deserted coral sand islands. Looks like the visitors aren't the only ones enjoying the pleasures of the water. Eh, my friend?